Hello everyone. I want to welcome everyone watching this video on my channel and also on these complete C programming tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn C programming from very basic to really advanced. So let's start. This is part 12 and today I'll be talking about if statement. If you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe my channel and also watch all the previous part. I have also provided the link in the description. So what are if statement? If statement is also termed as single way conditional branching statement. These statements have two blocks, which are expression block and statement block. So the statement blocks are only executed if expression blocks return true value or expression blocks are true. It evaluates the expression and if it's true, it executes the statement block within it. So here's the flowchart of if statement. As I already said, it has two blocks, that is expression block and statement block. This first checks the expression. If the expression is true, then statement blocks are executed. Otherwise these are not. And the statement terminates. So here's the syntax of if statement, that is if, and we write text expression within a small bracket, and within curly braces we will be writing statement blocks. And we don't use a semicolon at the end of if statement. So let me demonstrate this if statement with very good example. Here we are in dev C++. I create a new file. Let's give it a title, that is demonstration to if statement. So over here I include a header file, that is include stdio.h. Now let's write the main function. So I declare a variable int num and I'll ask the user to enter the value of num, that is a number. Enter a number. So I'll use scanf to store that number in a variable, that is num. Here we have ampersand and num. So semicolon at last. And now I'll print the entered number if and only if the number is positive. I repeat, if and only if number is positive. That is, the number you have entered is modulus d, and here we have num and semicolon over here. Now I'll also print that congratulations, you have entered positive number. So I'll be adding a skip sequence, that is line breaker over here, and I'll save the program. Let's name it if.c, and I'll compile the program and I'll run it. So here's our program. It asks us to enter a number. Suppose I enter 4 over here and press enter. So it is displaying the number you have entered is 4 and congratulations, you have entered positive number. So I'll close it and again I'll compile and run the program, that is execute the program. And this time I will enter number -5 and I'll press enter. So this is again displaying the number you have entered is -5 and also printing the statement, that is congratulations, you have entered positive number, though this -5 is not positive number. So over here we have to use conditional statement. So I'll close this and I'll add over here if, and I'll add a condition over there, that is num is greater than 0. So if the number is greater than 0, that means it is positive. So if the number is greater than 0, then this will print the number, otherwise it will not. So I will move this bracket below. So here we have. Now again I'll save the program and compile and run the program. So this time if I enter over here -5, this will terminate the program. Why? Because we entered negative number. Whereas if we again enter positive number, that is 7 or any number, let's give it 79, and I press enter, then this will print the number I entered. That is, the number you have entered is 79, and it is also printing a statement, that is congratulations, you have entered a positive number. So this is the simple demonstration of if statement. So again I create a new file using Ctrl N and I'll write over here demonstration to if statement second, that means second demonstration, or I'll write over here to demonstration to simple statement, and I will again include a header file, that is include stdio.h. So I'll write the main function over here, and I will declare a variable that is int age, and I will ask the user to print the age, that is enter the age, or let's write enter your age. So semicolon at last. Now I will store the entered age in variable age, that is modulus d, and we have over here ampersand age and semicolon at last. Now I will be printing the age entered by the user, that is the age you entered is, we have over here modulus d and the variable where the age is stored, that is age, and a semicolon at last. Now if the age is greater than 18, I would print a remark, that is you can vote. So I'll use the if statement over here too, if, and I write over here age is greater than or equals to 18, then this will print you can vote. You can vote. So here it is. And if the age is less than 18, this will do nothing, that is it will print nothing. So I'll give a semicolon at last. Now again I'll save the program, I'll name it if2.c, and I'll compile the program and run it. So here it is. It asks us to enter your age, that is enter my age. Suppose I enter over here 22. So it's printing the age you enter is 22, you can vote. So I'll add a line breaker over here, and again I'll compile and run the program. And as I enter the age less than 18, that is 17, this will just print the age which I entered, that is the age you entered is 27. So I'll close it. So these were the two examples of if statement. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get notified about my future updates.